Fifth standard, Science, Term 3, Unit 3. How are you all? Hope you must have gone through your section 1 and learned. Now you're going to learn about air pollution in this section. This is section 2 in Science, Unit 3, Air. If you haven't subscribed Padam Padikalam channel, today is the day to subscribe to get your lessons. Air pollution. What is air pollution? The presence of harmful substances in the air which can have an adverse effect on living being and the environment is called air pollution. When harmful substances including gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and so many gases and dust particles and aerosols are released into the Earth's atmosphere, air pollution occurs. How do air pollution occurs? Harmful substances including gases, dust, aerosols are released into the Earth's atmosphere. So, air pollution occurs. Causes of air pollution. Air pollution is caused by both natural and man-made activities. Air pollutants are released into the atmosphere through human activities. What are the human activities that pollute the air? Like burning of fuels, releasing industrial waste, and so many ways we are polluting the air. Natural events also pollutes the air. For example, volcanic eruptions. Industries. Many industries have been established to manufacture things. Large amount of carbon dioxide, hydrocarbons, organic compounds and chemicals are released into the air by these industries. Because of this, pollutants quality of air is affected very much. Burning of fuels like coal and petroleum releases sulfur dioxide, which is an air pollutant. Agricultural activities, use of insecticides and pesticides and fertilizers in agricultural activity has increased in the modern days. They emit harmful chemicals such as ammonia into the air, causing air pollution. Mining. Extraction of minerals from the earth is called mining. Mining processes release dust and chemicals into the air, causing massive air pollution. Household activities. Air is polluted through household activities also. While cleaning and painting, we use a lot of chemicals. These chemicals pollute the environment. Effects of air pollution. Air pollution affects all living organisms, including man. It causes serious health problem to human being and affects both plants and animals. What are the diseases? Let us learn. Air pollution causes several respiratory and heart problems. Global warming. Air pollution results in the accumulation of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. When gases like carbon dioxide are present in the atmosphere in large amount, they increase the atmospheric temperature. With increased temperatures, melting of ice and icebergs in polar regions and increase in sea levels are taking place. It affects the living organisms living there. Now, the whole world is talking about the global warming. What is acid rain? Harmful gases like nitrogen oxides and sulfur oxides are released into the atmosphere while burning fossil fuels. When it rains, the water droplets combine with these gases and fall on the ground in the form of acid rain. Depletion of ozone layer. Ozone molecules are present in the Earth's stratosphere and they are responsible for protecting humans from harmful ultraviolet rays. We can call it as UV, ultraviolet rays. Chlorofluorocarbons. released into the atmosphere by human activities deplete the ozone layer. As the ozone layer is depleted, UV rays, that means ultraviolet rays, reach the earth and they cause skin and eye related problems to us. Marine life, large amount of nitrogen present in some fertilizers is washed into the water bodies. They cause the growth of green algae in the seas. This is called eutrophication. This adversely affects fish, plants and animal species. Effects on wildlife. Harmful substances present in the air affect wild animals. How do we prevent air pollution? By reducing the usage of fossil fuels, using non-renewable energy resources. We need to reduce our usage. Switch off fans and lights when you are not using them. CFL bulbs consume less electricity. Planting more trees can reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. What is airborne diseases? Diseases which are caused by microorganisms and communicated through air are called airborne diseases. When we breathe in air, there are chances for the microorganism present in the air to get into our body. Diphtheria, whooping cough, and tuberculosis are some of the common airborne diseases caused by bacteria. Diphtheria. It is caused by bacteria, Corynebacterium diphtheria. It generally affects the upper respiratory tract, that means nose and throat, and causes fever, sore throat and choking of air passages. Whooping cough is caused by Bordetella pertussis. Once again I'll repeat, Bordetella pertussis. It is also affects the respiratory tract and causes mild fever, severe cough ending in a woof. Tuberculosis is caused by the bacteria Mycobacterium tuberculosis. When we breathe the bacteria present in the air gases into the lungs and affect it. Infected person has to be treated with anti-tubercular drugs for a period of 6 months to year. This is caused by virus, common cold, influenza, mumps, chickenpox, measles. Common cold is an infectious disease which affects upper respiratory system like nose and throat, and it is easily spread. Influenza is commonly found during childhood. It is caused by the virus myxovirus and results in inflammation of nasal mucosa and pharynx. We can call influenza as a flu. It is also known as flu. Mumps, it is caused by myxovirus parotids and it is affects the upper respiratory tract. Chickenpox, it is common among children but adults also may get it. Affected people will have blisters or spots in the body and face along with fever. These blisters with fluid will drain but sometimes it may leave scars. Measles is caused by rubella virus and it is easily caught by people from other infected people. Contagious disease. How do we prevent airborne diseases? Prevention. Avoid close contact with people who have active symptoms of disease. Now, which disease is spreading all over the world? You all know COVID-19. So, we wear mask, we keep social distance. Prevention is better than cure. Maintain personal hygiene. The government has insisted us to wash our hands and sanitize our hand. Keep the patient in complete isolation. Cover nose and mouth while sneezing or coughing. Avoid touching the face or other people with unwashed hands. Wash your hands thoroughly. Timely vaccination can prevent the diseases. Most people infected with the COVID 19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. The best way to prevent and slow down transmission is to be well informed about the COVID 19 virus. Since we are learning about virus, I am teaching you to protect yourself and others from infection by washing your hands or using an alcohol based rub frequently and not touching your face. Protect yourself. Advice for the public. Avoid overcrowded places. Stay away from people down with virus infection. Cover your mouth, nose while coughing or sneezing. Thank you.